Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Polar H9 heart rate monitor. First, snap the sensor onto the strap. Next, moisten the two electrode areas on the back of the strap with water. This ensures good contact with your skin. Finally, wrap the strap around your chest, just below your pectoral muscles, making sure it fits snugly but comfortably. You're now ready for pairing. Once the H9 is on, it's time to pair it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone, sports watch, or other compatible device. Open your fitness application or navigate to the Bluetooth settings. Look for the Polar H9 in the list of discoverable devices and select it. A successful connection will usually be indicated by a confirmation message, allowing you to start monitoring your heart rate data. During your workout, the Polar H9 continuously transmits your heart rate data to your paired device. Keep the strap securely in place to ensure accurate and uninterrupted readings. You can view your heart rate in real time on your phone, watch, or gym equipment display. This immediate feedback helps you stay within your target heart rate zones, optimizing your training for maximum effectiveness and safety. After your workout, it's important to care for your Polar H9. Detach the sensor from the strap. Rinse the strap thoroughly under running water to remove sweat and salt, then hang it to air dry. Do not machine wash or tumble dry. Store the sensor separately in a cool, dry place. The battery typically lasts for about 400 hours of use, and you'll be notified when it's time for a replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.